Your tyres go through a lot. Well, they are the only part of the car that's actually in contact with the road. Now, wear is expected, but uneven wear is not. So here's our top 3 causes of uneven tyre wear. Number 1, underinflation. If you notice wear on the edges of the tyre, this will be due to underinflation, because what happens is the tyre distorts in the centre, giving the edges most of the workload. Number 2, overinflation. When you overinflate a tyre, the centre of it bulges. This means it will wear faster as it has the most contact with the road. This is why checking your tyre pressures regularly is one of the easiest ways to prolong your tyre's life. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tyre and industry advice. Number 3, wheel alignment issues. If your wheel alignment or tracking is knocked out, most often from hitting a pothole or a curb, then your tyre will wear unevenly more often on one side, and you may even feel your car pull to that side. So there we have it, the top 3 causes of uneven tyre wear and how to prevent it.